What's up guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video today, I'm actually going to show you how I generated over $1,000 with just one YouTube video. We're starting right now. Alright guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and before we actually go through the steps of how I was able to generate over $1,000 with that video, I wanted to show you guys a little proof. I'm in the back office of my Warrior Plus account, and basically you can see here the affiliate product, and I generated over $1,000 with this particular affiliate product. I didn't use YouTube ads, I didn't spend a dime on this product, and I've been able to generate over $1,000. You can see 67 sales, 14% conversions, over $2 EPC. It's converting very well, and this is something that anybody can do. It doesn't matter your experience. All you have to do is actually just put in the work and implement these strategies. You can actually do it. So there's nothing special about me or the hundreds of other people that do this type method. It's just a matter of you just implementing it and doing it, and then you'll reap the benefits. So let's actually go through the steps now. So we're just going to run through the steps, and then I'll take you through a couple websites that you guys can use for resources. So basically the steps in order to, create a video that's going to generate you passive income. You're going to pick a high converting product. You're going to either purchase that product or get a review copy of that product. Then you're going to create a video explaining the benefits of, why somebody should purchase the product. And then the last thing you're going to do is actually promote the product. So, obviously it being on YouTube is already a marketing platform, so that's a good thing. But you can also promote it to like your different social media accounts. You can be doing some SEO, getting backlinks, social signals so that it can rank in Google. You can also send it to your list, which is an excellent way to start driving sales. And just any way that you can actually just market the product. You can post it on your blog, whatever you need to do to, get it in front of the right target market. That's what you need to do, because the more eyeballs, the better odds you're going to get some sales. So let's just walk through a couple different websites. So, about Warrior Plus. So we're talking about like products that you can sell. So obviously you can go to the Warrior Plus platform and pick out products. There's ClickBank. There's JVZoo. You can also do like CPA networks like Max Bounty. And I've kind of talked a little bit about like how you pick products on these different platforms. They're all basically the same. Basically, you want to kind of look for, has it been generating sales? Does it have a low refund rate? Does it have a good earnings per click? You want to make sure that the earnings per click is at least at like $1 or $2, so that you know that affiliates are selling it. Even in ClickBank, you can check out the gravity score, and it actually shows you, the number of affiliates that are actually selling that product. So those are all good key indicators to know that, okay, this is a high converting product. So once you've narrowed down the product, and also guys, just when you're looking for a product, look for something that you're actually interested in, like something that you might even want to learn yourself, or something that maybe you have some experience in, because it's just going to help your video creation even easier. Because if you have experience with it, or something that you want to learn, it's just going to make the process a lot easier. So once you have your product, you need to go ahead and either purchase the product or review it. So, if you're just starting out, it may be a little bit difficult to get review copies. I'm just going to be straight up, so a lot of times if you're just starting out, you may have to purchase the product first and then review it. But once you start getting some sales in these platforms, like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, especially those two, once you have a number of sales in there, usually when there's a launch, you can just basically contact the vendor and just ask for a review copy. They'll typically check for sales on that particular platform, and if you have a number of sales, they'll usually just give you a copy for free. But don't let that discourage you. So if you're just starting out, you can still ask. And if you're going to ask for a review copy, just have a plan. Like, just don't just email the person and say, hey, can I get a free copy because I want to promote it. Like, email them a good email or message them and say, look, I plan to promote your product. I want to promote it to, I'm first just starting out. I have a YouTube channel. I have a list. I'm going to put it on my blog. I plan to do a little bit of paid marketing, etc., and kind of give them bullet points of what you're actually going to do to actually promote their product. That's going to give you a higher probability of them actually giving you a free copy. If not, just purchase it. Most of these products are very cheap. So you review the actual product, you go through it, and you want to pick out like the benefits, like what did you actually learn? Because what you're going to want to do when you create your YouTube video is you want to actually explain the benefits, right? So what did you actually learn? And if somebody is watching your video, if they purchase that product, like tell them exactly what you're going to learn. You don't have to tell them exactly what it is. You don't have to like give them the actual secret sauce, but tell them, sell the sizzle, right? And to say, these are the things that you're actually going to learn when you purchase this course. It was very beneficial to me because of XYZ. And this is why I think that you should purchase the course, right? So that's really the whole deal with like, creating the video and then just giving the benefits. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel, if you're like a YouTube absolute beginner and you've never done YouTube and you don't have a clue of what to do, I am going to recommend a product to you guys. So this product is called Stealth Commissions. I actually did review this product myself a few months ago. This is an excellent course that you can take specifically on YouTube marketing. It actually breaks down this whole process. The vendor, the marketer that created the product, his name is Ben Martin, and he actually takes you through the steps of literally step one, creating a YouTube channel, like going to Google and creating a YouTube channel, getting your banners, getting your graphics. How do you even start doing your niche research? How do you get your keywords, creating the video, the scripts, the everything, everything step by step, like looking over his shoulder while he's like literally starting up a fresh YouTube channel, picking products, promoting the products, getting the keywords, everything is done for you step by step, and it's in this course. It's called Stealth Commissions. You can check it out. I have a link for this website in the description. It's only $15. And I decided to go ahead and add a bonus to this as well. So if you guys do want to pick up the Stealth Commissions, I'm going to actually give you another bonus video that I actually only teach like my paid clients, that actually will help you 3x and 4x your results when you're doing just this video marketing method. So this is actually a method that I only teach my paying clients and coaching students, but for $15, which is absolutely ridiculous, you can pick up this, and not only is it going to teach you this method, you can see I'm generating over $1,000, and that's just one product. This is something that anybody can do. For $15, you can learn how to do this whole process step by step, because obviously I can't teach you everything in a 10-15 minute video. You can learn this whole process. It takes you through A to Z. Plus, I'm actually going to give you another video that I actually teach my paying coaching students of a little secret that I do in order to get these big super affiliate numbers. So like these super affiliates are making 50 and 60 sales on these products, and here I am, just a little small fish in the pond, but I'm able to churn out these big numbers, and that's the secret sizzle to my bonus. So I'll give you that for free if you pick up the product. All you have to do is just send me an email to support@workwithjohnmcneil.com. And I will get you guys that video. So basically, after you have reviewed it, you created your video, now it's time to promote it, right? So we talked about, obviously you're going to use YouTube to promote your video. You're also going to want to send it to your list if you have a list, put on your blog. But in terms of like backlinks, social signals, any type of video promotion, you can just go over to like Fiverr. Like I just typed in backlinks, and you can just find people that will do backlinks. This is going to help you out with SEO. You can actually also type in like video promotion and see what comes up. And you know, they have just different type gigs, so you would just have to go through here. So you can get like video submissions, you can get backlinks, you can get social signals. There's all sorts of little gigs to help promote your video, especially if you're just starting out. You can use these services to kind of give you a boost within YouTube and within the search engines. So when you're looking at these gigs, you just want to make sure that they have you know, good ratings. So look at the ratings, read some of the comments, ask them questions if you have questions, and then typically, you know, you'll find some good people in here. You just sort by like best selling or something like that, and then you can find, you know, a lot of people in here that'll do some good work. I use Fiverr all the time. So that's basically it. So it's those 4 things, right? So it's pick a product, you got to review it, you got to create the video, and then you're going to promote it, right? So, and I know there's probably some things in between, and that's why I recommend that you guys go ahead and pick up this stealth commission, so that you go from A to Z and, you know, like creating your whole YouTube brand, and you know, learning particularly how to, you know, pick products out and create these videos. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. And I have my #1 recommended system. It's a training marketing system. I have it in the first link below in the description. Make sure you grab a free copy of this marketing system. It's phenomenal. And that's about it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.